Hi dear students, welcome to this class. See, so in our last classes, so we had been regarding about some basic concepts of this science. What I said in last class about food and nutrition. Yes sir, I hope you remember that. Okay. So now in this class, from today onwards, I will go to start your syllabus. So children, if you don't have test with you, even so please come to school and get admission and take the books. So once again, I said today onwards I will go to start your syllabus. So the students who have textbooks in your home, please open that. So from in your textbook, totally you have 18 lessons. How much lessons? 18 lessons for a 7 standard. Understand? So, your first lesson is there. Chapter number 1, Nutrition in Plants. What is that? Nutrition in plants. Okay? See. So, once again I say, so children who even don't have a textbooks, please come to school, get admission and take up books. Now I am going to start your syllabus of first chapter, nutrition in plants. I hope what I said in the last class, the basic class, that will help to understand this concept nutrition. Don't worry, once again I wish to recall that a basic class what I told in the last. See, in the last class I told about the food and nutrition. About food. Food means what? It is a material that nourishes our body. Understand? That body. So, why it is necessary? What is necessary? The food gives us energy to do work. Yes, food gives us energy to do work and it helps the growth of our body. It helps the growth of our body and also it helps the repairing of worn out cells in our body. The last one is that it creates a natural immunity power. It creates a natural immunity power. Yes or no, students? Okay. This is what I said in the last class, and also told about this term nutrition. Can you remember that nutrition? What I told in last class? Nutrition means it is a process of intake of food. Process of intake of food and using it for energy and using it for energy and for our vital activities and for our vital activities. So that process we call it is what? Nutrition. Understand? Nutrition. Remember, nutrition means process of intaking food, using it for energy and for our vital activities. Understand? Okay, so that is a nutrition. Clear? What is that? Nutrition. Clear, students? Okay, so in this lesson you will go to learn especially nutrition in plants. What? Nutrition in plants. Clearer? First you have to understand this term. Nutrition means what? Once again I repeat it. It is a process of intaking food and using it for energy and for our vital activities also. So that term we called it as a nutrition. But your lesson is there, nutrition in plants. Okay, in this lesson you go to clearly learn about how this nutrition happens in a plant body. Okay, let us see, students. Nutrition. So the materials which gives us nutrition, and that must contain several components. they are called nutrients. They are called what? Nutrients. And in other terms we call them as a components of food. I said in the last class, which are those carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals. These are commonly called as what? Components of food. In other words, they are also called as a short word is there, nutrients. What is that? Nutrients, students. What is this, friends? Nutrients. Clear are? Nutrients. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಪೋಷಕಾಂಶಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಏನು? ಪೋಷಕಾಂಶಗಳು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So let's start. So how this nutrition is happened in a plant body? Understand? Say. So normally in a nutrition we see the two modes, two types. One is autotrophic and the one is heterotrophic. Autotrophic and heterotrophic. So basically this nutrition that occurs in two modes. Autotrophic mode, heterotrophic mode. Even these plants also has two mode of nutrition. These plants also have two mode of nutrition. See the modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition in plants. Modes of nutrition in a plants. How many are there? Two modes are. One is the autotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition. Second one is the heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. These are the two modes of nutrition in a plants. Okay, students, let's learn one by one. So first autotrophic nutrition is there, and next we will discuss about the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, see autotrophic. See this word autotrophic. It's an explicitly Greek word. Auto. Auto means what? Not that auto. Auto means self. Troph. Its meaning, word meaning. Troph means feeding. That means autotrophic means what? Self-feeding nutrition. Self-feeding nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Clear or not? Okay. Let's learn how this autotrophic or self-feeding nutrition occurs in a plant body. Clear are students? Now plants also have two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Clear or not? We are discussing only the first kind of the nutrition of plant, that is autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, troph means feeding, self-feeding nutrition. Understand? So the organisms which shows autotrophic nutrition, remember, the organisms which shows autotrophic nutrition, they are said to be autotrophs. They are said to be autotrophs. The organisms which show autotrophic nutrition, they are said to be autotrophs. Understand? So ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಪೋಷಕಗಳು. ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ವಪೋಷಕಗಳು. ತಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ತಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ autotrophs ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ autotrophs sir? So the organisms which prepare their own food, the organisms which prepare their own food, they are said to be autotrophs. Clear? Which are those? Are you capable to prepare your own food in your body? Is it happen? No, it's not happen in your body. So they are only green plants are there. Green plants. Remember students, in this world, only green plants, they are capable to produce their own food. Understand? Own food. Only green plants, not other plants. Only green plants. Why sir? Why are you saying only green plants can capable to produce their own food? This is your question. Answer is there. Don't worry. You know why plants are green in color? Hmm? Why plants are green in color? You have blood in your body. Your blood is in which color? Blue, yellow, white? No, red in color. You know why your blood is red in color? Because your blood has a pigment. Your blood has a pigment. Pigment means coloring substance that gives a color to that material. So you know that hemoglobin is there. In your blood, hemoglobin is there. That hemoglobin gives a red color to your blood. Understand? That like even we said plants are also green in color. Understand? Why sir? That means plants maybe have pigment. Plants maybe have pigment. Yes, very good. Plants also have pigment. You know that? Remember, what is that? Chlorophyll. What is that? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment which is present in a plant body. Understand? That is why plants are green in color. Understand? So this is a pigment which is the reason for the green color of plants. Okay. Remember, if a plant produces, if a plant prepare their own food, it is only because of this pigment chlorophyll, which is mainly present in the leaves, which is mainly present in the leaves of a plant. Understand? Okay. The question is that yes, green plants are called autotrophs because they can prepare their own food. Yes or no? By using this chlorophyll. Question is that how sir? How these green plants prepare their own food? Hmm? Do you think like that? Have you question like that? Okay, don't worry. Green plants prepare their own food by the process photosynthesis. By the process photosynthesis. By the process photosynthesis. Remember students, green plants prepare their own food by the process photosynthesis. By this photosynthesis process, green plants prepare their own food. Understand? Remember this word meaning photo. You know, photo. Photo means you know what? Huh? Don't think like that. Not photo. Photo means light. Photo means what? Light. In our scientific term, we use photo instead of that light. Photo means light. Synthesis. Synthesis means combine. Synthesis means combine. In other words, this is also called as a synthesis of light. So actually word meaning is there, photo means light, synthesis means combine. What they combine? Question is that what they combine? Yes, they combine carbon dioxide and water. They combine carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide and water, H2O. They combine carbon dioxide and water when in presence of light. in presence of light. Hence it is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means combine. What they combine? Carbon dioxide and water in presence of light by using chlorophyll. By using chlorophyll, they produces a food. They produces a starch in the form of glucose C6H12O6. This is what we call glucose. They produces a glucose. Understand? So this glucose prepared by the plants, we use it as a food. We use it as a food. Understand, students? Now you are clear about this process, photosynthesis. Understand? Remember, plants have two modes of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic, auto means self, troph means self-feeding nutrition. That means autotrophic means it is a process of preparing its own food. Understand? The organisms which prepare their own food, which are capable to prepare their own food, they are said to be autotrophs. Example, green plants. Example, green plants. Understand? Why, sir? Why plants are green in color? They have a pigment chlorophyll. They have a pigment chlorophyll. Okay? Chlorophyll is a pigment. Because of the presence of this chlorophyll, plants are green in color. And question is that how plants prepare food? By the process photosynthesis. By the process photosynthesis. Understand? See. So photosynthesis means photo means a light, synthesis means a combine. What they combine? Carbon dioxide and water. By combining carbon dioxide and water, they prepare what? Glucose. We use this glucose as a food. Okay. There is a chemical reaction happened in that plant body. So reaction is there. Photosynthesis. It is a chemical reaction happens in a plant body. Because of that chemical reaction, glucose is produced. Understand? See students, this word glucose is coined by Charles Reed Bales. Who's that? Charles Reed Bales. Charles Reed Bales is the scientist who coined the term photosynthesis. Nowadays we are using this word photosynthesis. Who coined this term? Remember that person? Charles Reed Bales. He coined this term photosynthesis. Understand? See students. So this photosynthesis term, it is a chemical process. See, wait, I will write the reaction of this photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight, chlorophyll. And they produce what? 3,6H12O6 and they releases oxygen gas. This is the chemical reaction of a photosynthesis. Just practice and remember this reaction. And this reaction that says how photosynthesis process happened in a plant body. Understand? See, green plants. Listen clearly. Green plants in presence of sunlight by using chlorophyll, they combine what? Carbon dioxide and water, and what they produce is glucose. What they produce? Glucose. And in this process, byproduct is there. Not only one product is formed, byproduct is there, that is oxygen gas, which is very essential for all living beings for our respiration, Understand? Question is that, sir, how they take a carbon dioxide, sir? How they take a carbon dioxide, plants? Yes, in breathing process we are breathing out what? Carbon dioxide. We are breathing out what? Carbon dioxide. So this breath out carbon dioxide was utilized by green plants. How they take, sir? See, green plants, they have leaves. The chlorophyll present mainly in the leaves. Okay, this chlorophyll, what it does, sir? This chlorophyll helps in the absorption of sunlight. Remember, this chlorophyll that helps in the absorption of sunlight and stored it in a leaf. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಪತ್ರ ಹರಿತು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಹೀರಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? If a chemical reaction happen, it needs chemical reaction, that needs the energy. Understand? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಅದು ಈ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೀರಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಏನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ನ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು self feeding technique is happened in a plant body. We call this process as a photosynthesis. See, green plants in presence of sunlight, by using chlorophyll they combine carbon dioxide and water and they forms glucose and oxygen is released in this process. This is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay, are you clear about, students? Clear now? See, carbon dioxide, we are breathing out. In process of breathing we breathe out the carbon dioxide. It was utilized by green plants. How they take the carbon dioxide? See, in the leaves they have small tiny openings. In the leaves, in the surface of that leaves, they have small tiny openings. They are called stomata. What? They are stomata. The leaves have tiny openings on their surfaces. They are called what? Stomata. Through this stomata, plants intake a carbon dioxide. Then how, sir, water? Already know that the roots of that plant, they absorb what? Water. That is the main function of root. Absorbing water from soil. Absorbing water from soil. That root sends the absorbed water to the leaves. How? Through the xylem. Through the xylem. Plant have a tissues. They are called vascular tissues. Only two are there: xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. So xylem. So root absorb water from the soil. They send to the leaves through how? Through the xylem. Understand? And by using this water and carbon dioxide, they combine and prepare a glucose. And this glucose or food, it is sent to all body parts of the plant through the phloem. Through the phloem. That transports only food. Xylem transports only water. Hence, xylem is called water conducting tissue. Phloem is called food conducting tissue. Xylem conducts the water. Phloem conducts the food. Hence, xylem is called water conducting tissue. Phloem is called food conducting tissue. Clear now, students? Okay. Now I start this class. So see, once again I wish to recall this. Plants prepare, green plants prepare their own food by the process photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means combine. This photosynthesis word is coined by, remember the scientist name, Charles Reed Baires. Who is that? Charles Reed Baires. Okay. So how they combine? By using solar energy. This chlorophyll that helps to absorb solar energy and store it in the leaves. Using that energy, they combine carbon dioxide and water. They prepare glucose and oxygen gas is also released. Okay. So this is about the process photosynthesis. Okay, dear students. In the next class, we will discuss about the importance of photosynthesis. Okay. Now I hope you understand this chapter. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about the importance of photosynthesis. Okay, thank you, students, for watching this class. Okay, bye.